Okay.
Yeah.
What's up with y'all, man? It's your boy TazBeGrinding, man. Today, we about to go do a photo shoot with TheRealTEZ. He got a few people. He made a group chat up on Instagram. We about to go meet up. We about to go see some cool cars and stuff, man. We about to do a little photo shoot. If you ain't follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put it right here at the bottom of the screen. You can follow me, and then you can see everything we did today. And you can see the other pictures we took. But I'm gonna come there. I'm just gonna look at the cars and stuff and all that. We're not doing no big video vlog and nothing like that, but I'm about to get on the road. So I'll be right back when we get there. This should never be this fun. What up, man? What's up? Why yours not loud? You know what I'm saying? I put my little shine on there. You know what I'm saying? I put my little shine on there so the rain ain't get me. Bro, alright, you know I gotta wash my car. I'm the only black car out here. Y'all blue cars.
Cap.
Okay, look,
Cap.
there's never another black car out here. There's never another black car, but you know what I'm saying? This dude talking about his car, but it look like this even when he don't wash it, so.
Bro, but I got the cheat code though, like the
it's crazy.
The cheat code is, you know, I got it PP'd up. Like you can see it dirty right here though.
Bro.
Like you can see it dirty right here.
Blueprint be capping. Don't listen to what he say. I swear he don't wash his car for like 3 weeks and it be saying it's dirty and it look like this.
All you gotta do is hold that.
Hey Q, I was having too much fun on that parking structure coming up.
I heard you, man. I'm like, dog.
Oh, you heard me all the way from the bottom?
Dog, I'm like, that's Taz. I'm like, you probably like 4 levels down.
Bro, I just started. I was coming up. I was like, hey, look, I did it first. I was like, whoa. I was like, okay. I was like, I'm echoing through the whole thing.
Your car is loud, man.
It's not that loud, bro.
I'm gonna report you.
It's not that loud.
Dog. That's how I feel about my
It's
car,
not,
man.
no,
My car.
okay, look. Okay, my car must be louder than yours. But your pops are louder than everybody pops here. Your pops, though, it's different. Like, I drive behind you and your pops are loud. Like, Ant Junk is like little firecrackers. You know what I'm saying? He look like little firecrackers. You know, look. Your junk be like bombs going off. And my junk is like gunshots. So, mine like gunshots. His like bombs.
Okay, so we got a war going on.
But I think it's probably the loudest out here so far, just getting loud, though.
Yeah, your car is definitely the loudest. When we together, it's like, earplugs, please.
It's crazy. This guy. Bro, I ain't about to do no more wiping, bro. I can't. I hate wiping my car. I wipe it every other day. Yeah, I never seen you like 350.
I never touched the wheels. The wild cherry tint coat, the
This motherfucker in a minute, hear me? Alright, that duffel bag, man. That duffel bag, man. 1 brick, 2 bricks. 1 brick, 2 bricks. I remember pulling up a Stolies, selling high.
We just waiting for TheRealTEZ. I think him and another dude named Dom, their Hellcat tire blew out. Yeah, that's what we waiting on. Q, you looking like you missed your 350, man.
I hate GT 350s. I don't know what you're talking about.
You hate it.
Get away from this car, man.
Yeah, you just attracted to it though, like.
I'm trying to like, man, what people need to see.
Yeah, that's what I want next. I want some drilled and slotted rotors. No, they not slotted, but they drilled.
Drill, there we go.
I want
the
some
2-piece.
I like the look too. I like the fashion. You know, it's functional, but you know, I like the look.
Yeah. I'm all about the look.
I only got haters because I wanted to be loud, but it came with performance. So
I be the same way, man. I did the cold air intake so I can hear my super.
it's cool to be fast, but you know, I like to look good, and the fast just come with it. So I be looking good and going fast. So
down the next level. Oh, that's good.
She just on his mind. I follow the dollar signs. They call out the Taliban when they get out of line. Pull up the right out of line. I done whip me up around the lines. Come shoot your shit.
was hitting that bit every turn, bro.
Hey, he wasn't caring. He was just drifting that bitch. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie though. Q, you may have to add the pink on yours, bro. I like at least the strips down the middle, because that pink hard.
Hey, that white reflective crazy on the bottom too. Did you see that?
Where?
He put the white reflective at the bottom now.
Fire.
That boy look magenta, bro.
Yeah.
It's like that.
That joint.
Next to each other, man. You just can't do that. Like,
what?
You just can't put two cars like that next to each other.
No, you gotta break it up. You got the challenge. You got the big three. That's what I'm gonna call it right there. You got the big three, close to the big three, and then you got the whole Chevy gang down there.
Yeah, Chevy gang on top down on the right side.
Yeah, you know.
Chevy gang on, gang on.
You know, you got cotton candy on the end right here. You got cotton candy. You got your black licorice. You got the green. We got your green goblin or your chameleon. You know, then we got some more black licorice. Then you got marshmallow.
Some marshmallow?
Yeah. I try to think like a blue stripe, but you know, I'm looking at the whole color card. So you got marshmallow. You got cherry Pepsi right here. You got more. Oh man, Q, what should I name yours? He's not even paying attention, so I'm trying to think what should I come with. You got some more cotton candy, some more black licorice.
Blue slushy.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got the blueberry Faygo. I'm gonna look out for him. We got the blueberry Faygo.
This right old cute alley right here. He like them colors.
Man, it's a life of crime. I get down and dirty, gotta wipe them down. Hit them with the 30, pipe them down. Say a prayer before I strike them down. For fucking around with my money pile. Pull up, gun him down like he Michael Brown. Woo! Damn. Back him down like a hooper. My shooter came back around in a shooter. I'm in a Uber trying to fuck on the cooler. Murder weapon never found in a sewer. Shit it on them like a lot of maneuver. Maneuvered on them niggas know I'm a mover. Drug connoisseur, do it amusing. I'm mature, you can hear in the music. Still a fool when I be on some cool shit.
Unless y'all posted early.
We got the drone too.
Fire, man. Like, can you can we?
You know what we doing out here. We got Blueprint, we got Q, we got TheRealTEZ, we got me. Dude just got his new cherry coat. We got 2S Ty 2SS. I'm gonna get it right. I put all that stuff on the screen. But yeah.
Woo! Damn. Back him down like a hooper. My shooter came back around in a shooter. I'm in a Uber trying to fuck on the cooler. Murder weapon never found in a sewer. Shit it on them like a lot of maneuver. Maneuvered on them niggas know I'm a mover. Drug connoisseur, do it amusing. I'm mature, you can hear in the music. Still a fool when I be on some cool shit. Play it smooth or you gon' be on the news. They think you fucking with them, what an amusement. But buddy, you lose it, don't make him do it. Hit your body with two lips. See, I shoot the 8 balls with no pool stick. They like, fuck me, you do it.
The Mustangs pulled up on us. Yeah. Okay.
We added some friends.
It's crazy. Hey, look.
I'm always hopping out of something supercharged.
That's what you do, man?
I'm always hopping out of something supercharged, man.
Q. Look at Q. I was like, Q over here talking his talk real quick. Hey, this job tough though, bro. We gonna get it together, y'all. Mustang trying to out-rev me. Y'all see, we got our 5v5 picture going on.